The natural world is full of extraordinary journeys. Each journey tells a story of survival, adaptation, and transformation. Among these, few are as captivating and awe-inspiring as the evolution of birds from their dinosaur ancestors. Few, however, are as captivating as the evolution of birds from dinosaurs. This transformation is not just a simple change but a complex process that has taken millions of years, resulting in the incredible diversity of avian species we see today. This incredible transformation spanning millions of years has resulted in the diverse and vibrant avian species we see today. From the majestic eagles soaring high in the sky to the tiny hummingbirds flitting from flower to flower, birds have adapted to nearly every environment on Earth. Their story is one of adaptation, innovation, and ultimately survival. Birds have developed unique behaviors and physical traits that allow them to thrive in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to arid deserts and even urban landscapes. It's a tale etched in bone, feathers, and the very structure of their skulls. The fossil record provides a window into this ancient past, revealing the gradual changes that led to the birds we know today. The link between birds and dinosaurs might seem improbable at first glance. However, the similarities in their skeletal structures, particularly in the hips, legs, and even the wishbone, tell a different story. However, a closer look reveals a fascinating connection. Paleontologists have uncovered numerous fossils that show transitional forms, bridging the gap between ancient dinosaurs and modern birds. Fossil discoveries and scientific advancements have provided undeniable evidence. These findings have revolutionized our understanding of evolution, showing that birds are in fact living dinosaurs. Birds are in fact living dinosaurs, carrying the legacy of their ancestors in their genes. This genetic heritage is evident in their behavior, physiology, and even their reproductive strategies. One of the most remarkable aspects of this evolutionary journey is the development of a unique feature, cranial kinesis. This ability allows birds to move their upper jaw independently of their skull, giving them a significant advantage in feeding and other behaviors. This wiggling ability of the skull has played a crucial role in the success of birds, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments across the globe. From the dense jungles of the Amazon to the bustling streets of New York City, birds have found ways to adapt and flourish, showcasing the incredible versatility and resilience of their lineage. Unlike the rigid skulls of mammals, birds possess a remarkable flexibility. This flexibility is not just a minor difference, it is a fundamental aspect of their biology that has profound implications for their behavior and survival. Their skulls, composed of multiple bones connected by movable joints, allow for a range of movements. These joints, known as sutures, are not fused as they are in mammals, providing birds with a dynamic and adaptable cranial structure. This crucial difference, known as cranial kinesis, sets birds apart from their ancestors and their mammalian counterparts. Cranial kinesis refers to the ability to move the upper jaw independently of the lower jaw, a trait that is rare among vertebrates. Cranial kinesis provides birds with a unique advantage, the ability to manipulate their upper jaw independently of their lower jaw. This ability is particularly useful when foraging for food, as it allows birds to handle a variety of food items with precision. This flexibility allows them to perform delicate tasks. For instance, some birds can use their beaks to weave intricate nests, while others can use them to extract insects from tree bark or to crack open seeds. They can precisely pick up small objects like seeds and insects. This precision is crucial for their survival, as it enables them to exploit a wide range of food sources that might be inaccessible to other animals. They can also manipulate tools and build intricate nests. Some species of birds have even been observed using sticks and other objects as tools to obtain food, demonstrating a level of problem-solving ability that is quite remarkable. This skull structure also contributes to the lightweight nature of birds. The reduced bone mass, combined with the flexibility of their skulls, makes birds exceptionally well adapted for flight. This is essential for flight. A lightweight skull reduces the overall weight of the bird, making it easier for them to take off, maneuver in the air, and sustain long flights. The reduced bone mass, compared to a rigid skull, allows for greater agility and maneuverability in the air. This agility is not just about speed, it also enables birds to perform complex aerial maneuvers, evade predators, and navigate through dense foliage. This adaptation underscores the interconnectedness of evolution. The development of a flexible, lightweight skull is just one of many evolutionary changes that have allowed birds to thrive in a variety of environments. Each feature is intertwined with others, creating a symphony of adaptations that contribute to an animal's success. From their beaks to their feathers, every aspect of a bird's anatomy is finely tuned to support their way of life, illustrating the incredible complexity and beauty of evolutionary processes. Understanding the evolution of cranial kinesis has been a fascinating pursuit for scientists. This complex movement of skull bones, which allows for a greater range of motion, has intrigued researchers for decades. By studying the skulls of ancient creatures, scientists hope to uncover the secrets of how these movements evolved and what advantages they provided. Cutting-edge technology, like CT scans, has provided unprecedented insights into the intricate structure of fossilized skulls. These scans allow researchers to peer inside the skulls without damaging them, revealing details that were previously hidden. The ability to see inside these ancient bones has revolutionized our understanding of their anatomy and function. Researchers at the University of Chicago and the University of Missouri have been at the forefront of this endeavor. Their collaborative efforts have pushed the boundaries of what we know about dinosaur skulls and their evolution. By combining their expertise and resources, these institutions have made significant strides in the field of paleontology. By using CT scans, scientists can create detailed 3D models of dinosaur skulls. These models are not just static representations, they can be manipulated and studied from every angle. This allows researchers to test hypotheses about how these creatures lived and moved, providing a dynamic view of their biology. These models reveal the internal architecture of the skull, including the arrangement of bones and the spaces where muscles and other tissues would have been. This level of detail helps scientists understand how the skulls functioned and how they might have changed over time. They also show the connections between bones, providing clues about how these ancient creatures might have moved their jaws. By studying these connections, researchers can infer the range of motion and the types of movements that were possible, shedding light on the feeding habits and behaviors of these long-extinct animals. This research has shed light on the evolutionary steps that led to the development of cranial kinesis in birds. By comparing the skulls of dinosaurs and birds, scientists can trace the changes that occurred over millions of years, revealing a gradual transition from rigid to more flexible skulls. These studies have shown that the ancestors of birds, non-avian theropods, possessed a simpler form of cranial kinesis. This early form of skull movement likely provided some advantages, such as more efficient feeding or better sensory perception, which were then refined and expanded upon in their avian descendants. Over time, as these dinosaurs evolved, their skulls became more flexible. This increased flexibility may have allowed for a greater range of feeding strategies, helping these creatures to adapt to changing environments and food sources. This coincided with the development of other bird-like features, such as feathers and changes in limb structure. These adaptations work together to create the highly specialized and diverse group of animals we know as birds today. This suggests that cranial kinesis played a vital role in the transition from dinosaurs to birds. By understanding this key aspect of their evolution, scientists can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and interconnected changes that led to the rise of one of the most successful groups of animals on the planet. Section 4. A brainier approach, skull flexibility and intelligence. The evolution of cranial kinesis isn't solely about eating, it's also linked to the development of larger brains in birds. As brain size increased in non-avian theropods, the skull needed to adapt. A more flexible skull allowed for the necessary space for a larger brain without compromising the structural integrity of the head. This increase in brain size is thought to be linked to the development of more complex behaviors in birds. These behaviors include social interactions, problem-solving abilities, and vocal communication. Cranial kinesis, therefore, played a crucial role in shaping not only the physical evolution of birds, but also their cognitive abilities. Section 5. From seeds to insects. The dietary advantage. The advantages of a wiggly skull extend far beyond just eating. Cranial kinesis allows birds to exploit a vast array of food sources. This adaptability has been key to their survival and diversification. Imagine a hummingbird, its long beak probing delicate flowers for nectar, or a woodpecker, its strong beak hammering into tree trunks in search of insects. These are just two examples of the incredible diversity in feeding strategies made possible by cranial kinesis. Birds with more flexible skulls can access food sources that are unavailable to animals with rigid skulls. This ability to utilize different food sources has allowed birds to occupy diverse ecological niches, reduce competition with other species, and thrive in a variety of environments. The evolution of cranial kinesis, therefore, played a pivotal role in shaping the ecological landscape we see today.